Hey y'all, I hope my eyes do not look heavy and sleepy because I've been up since 6:30. It's 10:30 p.m. and I was starting to film this video maybe like 4 hours ago, and I got 3 kids. So here we are. And y'all typically see me do my wig videos on its own, but I wanted to give y'all some love too. So I wanted to share with y'all a wig because I have so much to do with this crazy Georgia weather. I needed a wig that's gonna hold your girl down. So I was like, you know what? I gotta share with the vlog and show y'all what I'm about to be rocking. And this is from ULAHAIR. I've worn their wigs, I believe, one other time on my platform, and I really did like that wig. So I'm super excited because your girl needed a nice little easy on Sunday morning wig. That's exactly what I needed, and that's exactly what I got. Oh, they gave me a lot of goodies, y'all. Okay, so first things first, they gave me the lashes. Y'all know y'all gonna get a wig that comes with the lashes. I got me a nice little lash stash. Oh, that's not the lash stash. Where's the, I don't know. We're gonna put it over there for now. You the real one. You the real one. I love stock. I tell y'all this all the time, but when I tell y'all, I'm so serious because I gotta have one of these everywhere. Everywhere. The girl's chair bag needs to just have one stand put. The girl's bathroom, my downstairs bathroom, this upstairs bathroom, hell, even out here. I just want to have one so I don't have to just be looking for one. So thank you so much for this one. Ooh, what's this? This is packaged up. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a bonnet. Okay, okay. Oh, and it's a bonnet that, oh y'all, let me try my girl out. Let me try her out. Do a nice little tie down. Oh yes. 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 And then I can tie her around like that. Hold on, let me get it right. Let me get it right. I love this. And I think I'm really gonna love this when I'm wearing my natural hair especially. But of course, when I'm rocking my wigs, if I'm wearing a wig that I have to sleep in. Because my preference is to wear glueless. But next is, oh, y'all, the wig about to slide right on out. Next is they gave me a nice little edge band. Then of course the wig cap. And now let's get onto the wig. So, like I said, the weather has been crazy. It's been snowing out here in Atlanta, and I'm from here. I'm born and raised, as y'all know, and I can't even count on my fingers throughout my childhood how many times it actually snowed. I probably think maybe twice in my childhood. I vividly remember some snow. Oh, this is pretty, girl. This is the type of hair that's gonna hold up. This is nice. Look at the curls. Are y'all seeing this? This is really nice. This is gorgeous. Like, this is really pretty. Let me put homegirl on real quick, y'all. This is really nice. And the best part about it all, because y'all know I be negotiating with these companies weeks before. So I be forgetting what I'm getting. And when I just get the package, I'm finding out like y'all, I love the fact that it's not a frontal. We got to get this on real quick. We got to get this on real quick. Let me get my pressed powder from MAC. Now, once again, you can bleach your knots. You can bleach your knots. Got my nice little brush thingy. Ooh, y'all, this is really nice. This is some beautiful hair. This is what I'm talking about. See, my other wigs, those are kind of like special occasion. Like, I want to wear those on special occasion. Just pop out. But I want a everyday wig. So we have the adjustable band, which is one of my favorite parts. We already see I don't have to wear this at night. I can take her off. And then we have the clasp, which I love that as well. Oh, y'all. She's about to be my new... She's about to be my new girl. So I can just put her on like so. Boom. 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 Super pretty. I love this. Oh, yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, I'm pulling all this out so y'all can kind of see. And then sometimes I do like to come and just put the powder on the outside of the lace. Okay, y'all, I am officially done. And that was definitely my workout for the night. I am very happy with the results. Hold on, y'all. I feel like I still got to spray a little bit more on this side. So as we can kind of see, I did start spraying on this side, but there is still some more poofiness. So we're going to get her all the way tamed over here. And just add all the water you want, y'all. You might as well get in the shower with her if you feel like it. And then when you get out the shower, you can just sit her up on the towel stand. I did press throughout the part, like I went maybe from like right here on up and press just the root so it can lay down a little flatter, of course. So that's why y'all can kind of see it straight, or not kind of, but your girl did her thing, honey. I was a little nervous. I was a little nervous at first because I don't really pluck. I also did cut a little bit right there to, you know, try to frame just a little bit of my face. So I think we should be good now. Okay, y'all. So this is the final look. And I love it. I think she's super pretty. Show y'all like that. Show y'all like that. Super, 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 super pretty. And yes, y'all. So there you have it. Here is my new everyday wig. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, then go ahead and click the link in my description box. Y'all already know what to do in the comments. Let me know how you feel about the wig. If you've tried this hair company before, there will also be a coupon code. So use it, and send it to a friend so that they can use it. And yes, so on to the rest of the vlog.